Okay, there should be absolutely no talking. Wait, go to that! On the depth! No, we hear you! We said no talking. On the depth, no talking!
The rules for the exam are pretty simple. No copying, no peeping, no talking, no reading. If you get a cut, no bleeding. No smoking, no provoking. No kicking, no boxing, no talking. No nothing. Alright guys?
Okay, there should be absolutely no talking. Wait, go to that! On the depth! No, we hear you! We said no talking. On the depth, nobody knows me talk. No talking! On the depth, on the time I talk. Anyways, no electronics allowed. If you are found with any electronics, you will be charged with intention to cheat. Please read through the paper thoroughly. Okay, the time is now 1 p.m. You may begin. You have 2 hours. Wait, I want that me here. Why use calculator? Sir, is a watch. So why you bring a calculated watch in the exam? You're disqualified. Please leave. Leave.
The rules for this exam are pretty simple. No copying, no peeping, no talking, no reading. If you get a cut, no bleeding. No smoking, no provoking. No kicking, no boxing, no talking. No nothing. Alright guys? Start.
Study the table below. Observe the object above. What? I don't understand it. Earphones, no. What color is the blue bus? Gee, no, I should study this now. Hold on.
Hey man, is that a paper yan?
What paper?
Can I have 6 more paper plates?
Paula.
Come on.
Alright now class, how far is Jamaica from Haiti? Anybody? Sir, me. Sir, you can go ahead. Alright sir, the answer is I think 537 kilometers. Oh, well the answer I think is wrong! Okay, so is there anyone with sense that can answer me? Me sir. We sir? Go ahead lads. Wait, how far is Jamaica from Haiti, right? So Jamaica 54.
Yeah.
So
54
yeah.
minus 80.
Yeah, that's a 26, so that means a 26.
26,
sir.
correct. I'm me first.
Yes, I knew you guys had it in you. I knew it. Yes, I knew it. Oh God. Yes.
Rice bag? Here sir. Twangaroo? Here sir. Shoe shine? There. Nerd on? Here sir. Right now we're going to do a short recap.
Yo, I'm just about my cap.
Can someone tell me what is the chemical formula for water?
Sir, that not soft,
Yes,
man.
shoe shine.
H-I-J-K-L-M-N-A-O.
Wait, what are you talking about?
Sir, last week I tell me the chemical formula H2O. H-I-J-K-L-M-N-A-O.
Twangaroo.
How do you spell machine?
M-A-S-H-E-E-N.
Machine. Sir, you can't tell me that wrong. You know why? You ask how me spell it, and that's how I spell it. I don't know how anybody else spell it, but that's how I spell it.
Rice bag. Put the word battery in a sentence.
Yesterday, my friend sent me a gun song to my phone. I never knew it would have killed my battery.
Did you know the heart is approximately 8.856 kilometers in diameters? Oh my God. Good morning, Tweisha.
Sit down, peasants. Last time I went to New York, it was a blast, you know.
Just came in the class.
Just
Can you
about
shut
to-
up?
Hey, how much for the school? I might as well just buy the school and fire him.
Mamacita, your body neater. Beautiful feature, no creature. Teacher, a teacher, the teacher. No creature, no church, no preacher. The feature, the leacher, my speech and a talk. Say you're bound through your reach as a bleacher. Tell her how you own a procedure. So Patricia, Tanisha, and Keisha. Me love it when you whine your way so.
I remember I was walking one day and I see a nice African queen asking what's my age. I am 19. Says she want to eat this thing like something out of canteen. And I look on her and say, fire nothing. Fire in your cuckoo.
You want to be because normally they was a reminder of carrot, you know?
Yeah.
Why? Because we're down to earth.
Oh my. Oh my God.
Oh my God, you guys are so sexy, but we only talk to guys who dance to African music.
doing, baby?
Kangaroo.
I'm tired.
You're great, baby.
Yeah, baby, I know I'm great.
I love you,
It's
baby.
me.
I really love you.
I love me too, baby. I
Oh
love
my
me too.
God. What are we though?
What?
I think what are we like?
What do you mean, what are we? Every time you come ask the same question. What do you mean, what are we? What we look like?
I really need
Hold
to
on,
know.
ask that question. What is this?
Oh, that's a glasses.
Alright. What is this?
Oh, that's an air freshener.
Okay.
Why you keep on picking up stuff?
What is this?
Oh my, that's an iron. Like,
Okay.
stop.
What is this?
Oh, that's Tweisha's weave. Man.
Okay.
Where are you going? Like, can you stop? Like,
What is this?
oh my, that's a
What is
dog. That's a dog.
So hold on. What is this?
A skin or human?
Exactly.
Oh my
We're
God.
humans.
No,
Humans.
oh my
Exactly. So when you
God.
come ask every time do them thing, you ask, what are we? What are we?
I
Mean
mean,
by what are we? What you be?
I'm a girl.
Exactly. You're a human.
Yeah,
You're a
but-
girl. I'm a
but-
boy. We're human beings.
No, I'm like where we stand. Like,
I mean, where we stand?
yeah,
I'm
like.
standing on the ground.
Oh my God. I'm not like.
Every time you ask the same
Why
stuff,
can't?
man.
Oh.
Shit,
man.
that
Stop, can you-
is.
Oh my God.
Them mash up if you tell me say we fi be just friends, God no. Really want to be the one to make you happy, give you your regular. Travel the world, who fi stop we no one. Mother rate me, brother, sister, everybody, but the father don't like me, cause him here she call me daddy, oh well. Spoil you, get you anything you like. Alright, long as you alright, and me alright, me know your man, that's why I'm like you. To a woman I like, that's right. Plus you bump have the proper signs, so I keep up me there behind you, just for what you.
Hey, broke bitches from across the world. This is Tweisha, the rich bitch. We're in this bitch. I just came from the sandal store. I just bought some BT. I just bought some K. Now I have on the rose. Yeah, these are yard slippers though, cause I prefer wear Gucci out. Like, yes. Please don't ask where I got these. Like, y'all can afford them. Like, please don't stick to your slippers, girls. Yes, I'm gonna take these Balenciagas off. They're hurting my eyes. Like, I prefer Gucci, but the Gucci's on the 5th floor right now, so I'm gonna show you that later. I can't bother to take the elevator right now. Yes, girl. So, like, these are my white gold nose ring. Like, y'all can afford them. Like, so please, I'm begging you, don't ask where I got these or how much I paid for these. Like, these two, these are my Plastiagos. They're from Italy. Yes, Italy. I'm not local. I'm foreign. Like, everything I have on is foreign. These nails are foreign. I got them for like 2K each. You know, these are Brazilians, like real Brazilians, not like the plastics, no. Tweisha! Hey, honey, get my name right. It's Tweisha. Hey, someone get her out of this thing before I get her fired or something like that. Damn, Buspeka. I'm feeling sorry for y'all bitches. Like, how do y'all do it? How do y'all stay broke?
Excuse me, my good sir, you can tell me which part of the supermarket they're on 134.
Oh,
Your money can't, you can't. Are you heard that? That stinks. What is it? That stinks. That stinks.
Shut up, your mouth, man. Tweisha, the rich bitch in this bitch. I'm here. I'm gonna sit for this black Hennessy. That's my breakfast, guys. Maybe I'll drink tea, like Milo and little stuff. Stick to that. Anyways, I'm here to address a matter. Keisha. Shaped like Keisha, but shaped like laptop Keisha. I'ma need my money, Keisha. The money that I lent you to feed your hungry children, Keisha. I'ma need it. I hate being rich. People continuously asking me for money. Gosh. Oh, I'm so... Y'all may be asking why I'm blowing my nose, because I'm allergic to y'all broke bitches, that's why. Keisha, I need my money. I don't want to hurt you, Keisha. As you know, I'm the baddest Isha out there. There's no Aisha, no preacher, no teacher that is bad like Tweisha. And Keisha, I need my shirt and my skirt. But when you return it, I don't want any dirt. Or you get hurt. Oh guys, I just got a 7. Don't ask where I bought it. Stick to your forest and forest, please. Like, Keisha, I need my money. Stop being broke, girl.